Did you dye your hair again, Juliana, you might ask? Yes. Yes, I did. This is a weird hat you're wearing, Juliana. Yes. Yes, it is. Why are you being so weird, Juliana? I don't know, I'm just like that. Okay. Anyway, it's been a long time since I've done a hair dyeing video of like my own hair, so this is exciting. Basically, I'm wearing the hat once again. As you know, if you've seen my other hair dyeing videos, click the playlist. I have a playlist. It's very fun. I quite often don't film intros before I actually dye my hair, so that's why this hat is here, because no spoilers. Oh my god, it's falling out. Okay, no spoilers, but basically, today, yesterday technically, but today, pretending, going along with it and pretending I haven't already done it. Okay, cool. I am dyeing my hair in a purple to pink ombre, which I already did at college, but needed refreshing because, as we all know, the dye fades and then it looks bad, so we have to do it again. And I didn't film last time, and a lot of people said this was like their favorite hair that I'd done so far, so I figured I'd show you guys how I did it. Cool. So I'm gonna put a few little B-roll shots. Ooh, fancy film lingo. It's almost like she's in like film theory and criticism class right now. Oh my god, of course she is, right? Like a YouTuber. Anyway, I wanted to make a bluish purple and blend it down into pink, like a purplish pink. So I took Arctic Fox Periwinkle and mixed that with just a little bit of dark purple from the brand Splat to get a nice bluish purple shade. Then I took Electric Paradise, which is like a neon pink from the same brand, Arctic Fox, and diluted that with a little bit of conditioner. And that was my two colors. Yeah, let's get on to voiceover me and she will tell you what she did. Okay, cool. I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Alright, lads, here's my hair. A little bit washed out. Time for some new color. And oh yeah, there's the underside. Since I know a bunch of you came from my bleaching my hair video, that's what she's looking like. And no, I'm not going to bleach the roots, mostly because if you've seen my bleaching my hair until it falls out and dyeing it lavender video, you'll know that the process to get my hair the way that I bleached it was so chaotic, and there's absolutely no way that I could achieve the same thing if I tried to bleach it normally. So yeah, we're not bleaching the roots. My plan is to let the entire thing, like all of my hair, grow out until I can cut all of the color off and then bleach the whole thing. That'll take a while, so stick around. But for now, we're just re-dyeing the ends. But anyway, what I'm doing here. First, I'm going in with the purple, and I'm putting it on about half of the bleached parts of my hair, and leaving the other half, because then I'm going in with the pink, putting it on the bottom section of the hair, and then just blending it with my fingers and with the brush into the purple. I was kind of nervous about this because the pink and the purple were more different than I had made them last time I dyed my hair this way, that you guys didn't see because I didn't make a video, sorry about that. But the purple and the pink were like pretty drastically different. The pink is very warm undertone and the purple was very cool undertone, so I was worried that they wouldn't blend well. But you'll see in a minute or two that I think turned out really good, and I'm really excited about it. But anyway, I look crazy, very colorful. Okay. So now, we wait. I hope I didn't miss a spot. Yay, pretty artsy shot time. So this is just me washing my hair out in the sink. Kind of, just tomfoolery. There you go. And then for some reason, I don't know, I was really vibing with the light in the bathroom. So here's some artsy shots of me brushing my hair that I had to take the audio off of because copyright. Big reveal. Okay, hi. So this is my hair. This is how she is. It's kind of like unicorn vibes, and I'm not mad at all. I really like my hair with this weird little fade ombre thing, and yeah, I kind of feel like a magical unicorn princess kind of situation. So I'll insert some close-up shots so you can get a better look at what it actually turned out to be. But other than that, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and comment down below what I should do to my hair next. I think I'm gonna do it silver. Do we vibe? I vibe. Okay, cool. So yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know if I should. No, she wouldn't like that. Let me know if I should try dyeing my mom's hair. Who said that? Okay. Anyway, I'll see you next time.